Truck spotting, Great Lakes. We're in Alberta, on Highway 3 right now. Sorry, Highway 2 right now. Calgary is behind us, and Lethbridge is in front of us. It's doesn't look like it's the nicest day out here, does it? It's kind of cool, but it's okay. So winter's over. Winter's over. We may have a little bit more snow here and there, but it's still technically over. I don't know about you guys, but I am so happy about that. It's almost camping season. Yay! So, yeah. Anyways, that guy looks like he needed a wash. It's tax season too. Oh, we have a big truck on the side of the road. Let's just see if this driver will move over. Oh, he just realized now. I wouldn't want to rear end that thing. No. Doesn't matter what I do, doesn't matter how much sleep I get, for some odd reason I have been yawning big time. And it's been a while since I've been talking to you guys lately. It's took a break and been doing a lot of time-lapse videos. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Well, it's been a while for me. I don't know, maybe you guys have seen the last video and I was talking then. But it's been a few trips. It's been a few trips since the last time I talked to you guys. I think I did. I don't know. Was it BC? Did a BC. And then I went down to Oregon, and then I came back, and then I did a Georgia. And I came back and did a Winnipeg, and then came back. Then I did a Calgary, Alberta. And when I say all this, I'm saying from Toronto, Ontario to all these places. So then I did a Toronto to Calgary. And then came back, and now I'm just done another Calgary. And going to Washington, just south of, southeast of Seattle is where I'm headed to, and I got a load of motorcycle doors on. They're heavy. They're really hard to stack because they're on a bit of a. I tell you that they should just build a crate, put them around it that way, because it's just a lot easier to do it that way than to try to get the doors, which are not, straight. They're kind of curved to go around your motorcycle. So it's kind of hard to stack. You get that? So a lot of people say when we're hauling empty that we got a load of dispatcher brains, or we have a load of sailboat fuel, or things like that. So I went across one time, I went across the border one time. One of many times. And the guy sent me through X-ray. He says, "What do you got on?" I said, "Motorcycle doors." And he says, "Did you go and check out? Did you tell the customs officer there?" And I says, "What, about my motorcycle doors?" And I says, "No." And he's like, "I don't know, I think I told him, like, I said it like 4 times before he clued in." He says, "Wait, man, motorcycles don't have doors." I'm like, "I know." And I says, "I'm empty. I just I just wanted to change it up a little bit." Yeah, I got him laughing pretty good. I He says, you're more welcome to use that anytime you want. He just started laughing. He's been doing this for many, many years. He said he's never heard that one before. I'm like, there you go. So I don't know. See, I'm a Canadian truck driver, and I'm really hoping that I don't have a problem going across the border now. I don't want to talk politics or anything like that, but I've heard stories lately of Canadian truck drivers getting hassled going across the border, or in the United States from other drivers and other people. Claiming that we're taking their jobs and all that stuff, and that's not the case. If you're an American and you're listening to this and you think that us Canadians are taking your jobs, that's definitely not true. We go down with a load that's from Canada, and we pick up a load, or we go and deliver the load, and then we pick up a load that's going to Canada. Now, you guys are more than welcome to do that yourselves, but no offense, there's a good chunk of the American truck drivers that have credit, they're criminals. They have a criminal record, I'm not saying everybody does, but you can still become a truck driver and stay in your own country. And there's people that just choose not to go into Canada. Well, so the loads that we pick up are going into Canada, which helps you guys out too, because, we bought it from you guys. And with all this tariff wars going on and all that stuff, we need you just as much as you guys need us. I just wish we could all go back to this, the way it was, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. But I don't want to go back. I don't want to go into politics. I just wanted to let you guys know that we're not taking your jobs. We've been doing this forever. Just like if you guys come up into Canada, you guys can take loads from Canada back into the States. And for us to take loads from you guys, it's called interstate. When we go and pick up a load from the United States to deliver in the United States, like we pick up a load, say, California, and then we have a delivery in Arizona, we have a delivery in New Mexico, we have a delivery in Texas, that is interstate. We can't interstate. We're not allowed to interstate. If we get caught interstating, that's a $10,000 fine and up to 10 years in prison. At least that's what it was 20 some odd years ago. Who knows, it might be even higher now. I don't know. So, and it's the same thing for if you guys come into Canada. It's exactly the same thing. If you guys decide to pick up a load in Canada and deliver in Canada without going back in your own country and whatnot, then that's interstating, and it's the same thing. It's $10,000 fine to you, probably a $10,000 fine to the customer, to your carrier or who you work for, plus it's 10 years up to prison. 10 years in prison for you, the driver. So that's the only way that we're taking loads from you, and that means we're not taking loads from you. But we're still getting. I got friends that have been harassed already about that whole issue, and it's not right. We're out here doing our job just like you are out here doing your job. Like I said, I don't really want to talk politics, because that usually goes nowhere. But trust me, we're not taking your job, and you're not taking our job. As long as we keep this going and everybody does his and her work, then it's just like it was before. Now that I said that, that needed to be said. But it doesn't matter, I'm going to probably get harassed when I get to the United States. But that is the days, that's just the way it is right now. I can't change it. Having my morning coffee. I so wanted to get up earlier than this. Actually, I did get up earlier, but I just had a hard time getting out of bed. And then when I did get out of bed, then I couldn't stop watching YouTube. I have 540 miles to get to my customer. I just started my day now. I can do a little over 600 miles in a day. And I don't have to be there till tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock in the morning to pick up my load of onions. That will take me across into Canada. And it's a heavy load. And I'm trying not to, I'm trying to waste my fuel as much as I can, because I probably gotta go in at least a half a tank of fuel, because it's gonna be a heavy load. And if I can get any more fuel out of the deal, then great. If I can't, then at least I have a half a tank. We get paid with this company that I work for. We get paid a percentage of what the boss is doing. So onions not bad paying, I guess. Potatoes not bad paying either. So, but they're both heavy loads. The more we can bring, the more money we make. Makes sense, doesn't it? I'm still waiting on my tax lady to tell me how much money I've made for the taxes. So I still have to pay my lot fees at the campground, and there's a few other things I'd like to get done. I'm hoping for 5,000. If I get 6, that's great. That's even better. If I get 3, that's fine. I don't think I'll get less than 3. I'm hoping to get anywhere between 5,000 and 6,000. That would make my day. That would definitely make my day. 3,000 for the lot fees. Get my pick-em-up truck fixed. Get a topper, or a cap, sorry, for my pickup truck, so it's a little bit more aerodynamic when I pull my trailer. And I could use the back of the pickup truck for things instead of throwing it all in and hoping to God no one sees and steals it. Big trailer. Got a 21 footer, 18 inside, single axle. Pulls nicely, no wobbles, no nothing like that. nice little trailer. Doesn't cost a lot of money to pull it. In gas, that is. So, life is good. Is that oh, I hope that's rain that's going to come today and not snow. I just noticed the snow on the ground. That's not right. That's not right. I was going to say I hope it's rain because I got some bugs on my windshield I got to get rid of. Unfortunately, it's that time of year, right? And yesterday it was so beautiful, and the day before that, and it looks like they got snow down here, which kind of sucks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you hit that like and subscribe button, and check out the merch. And anyways, catch you later. Bye for now.